Uncle Mud here, checking out the work. We're doing a little cleanup and rehab on this Rocket Mass bell bench. Since it's deeper than the floor, when we built it, we built a place where we could clean out the end. We could pop the end of the barrel inside of the cob mass. The lid of the barrel pops out and lets us clean. So Elaine and John are here pulling the lava rock insulation out from around the pipe so that they can pull the end of that barrel out, and then we'll get to see whether people burning stuff they shouldn't have has caked us all up with creosote, or whether we just got a bunch of ash in there from the cardboard people like to use to start the thing, or whether we're clean. We've been burning this one for about 4 years now, so we're gonna see what it does.